Hi, we're going to quickly talk about creating accessible headings in Canvas. I created this test page I'm going to open up here, and it's just a blank page. I'll edit that. And when you have your content, you oftentimes will want headers. So let's say there's an overview section, and then you're going to have some text here, and then there's some sort of topic one, let's say, and then text, and then topic two, and text. So the first thing is when you have your first header, you're going to highlight it, and you're going to come here to where it says paragraph and click heading 2. You might wonder where heading 1 went because we have heading 2, 3, and 4 available to us. Heading 1 is actually the title of the page, so that when you save it, that'll be in the largest font and be heading 1. The text will be here for the overview, and then maybe topic 1, you want to be the next level down, so that would be a heading 3. And then topic 2 would also be a heading 3. So these font sizes are predetermined by Canvas. If you don't like them, you're more than welcome to change them. So you can go over here to overview. Let's say that you want that to be a lot bigger for some reason. You could change it up there. And topic 1, let's say that you wanted that to be a lot bigger as well. You might come up to 24 point. Same thing with topic 2 to make that match. So as long as when you click on the header, it says heading 2, and this one says heading 3, it's going to be processed correctly by a screen reader. The only reason I don't like doing this is because now I have to remember to change my fonts on every single page for my headers. So I prefer to use the native Canvas sizes. The last comment would be you may want to use heading 4, so that's just the next level down, the same way that you would use the heading levels in Word. So hopefully that was helpful. If I save this, you'll see what it looks like. So now a test page is actually tagged with heading 1, and because I made the fonts different, it's not the largest, but normally it would be. And then you can see what those headers look like there. Thank you. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Online Education and Training. For upcoming workshops, check out our website at oet.fullerton.edu.